Long ago, there were rumors about an abandoned mansion just outside of town. The townsfolk believed the house was cursed, harboring a dark entity within its walls. Despite these tales, one day a young man named Alex discovered that he had inherited this eerie mansion. As Alex approached the old mansion, a cold wind seemed to envelop him. The house, though vacant for years, retained an eerie atmosphere, as if something lingered within. His first night was marked by strange sounds echoing through the dark rooms, but he tried to muster the courage to sleep. With time, the mysterious events in the house escalated. Doors would open and close on their own, and the whispers and footsteps seemed to move through the rooms. Alex, determined to unravel the secrets of the past, began researching the old town records. During his investigation, he learned that the mansion had once belonged to a wealthy family. Tragedy struck as the family members became enemies, consumed by a curse seeking revenge. The family turned against each other, leading to a series of mysterious deaths within the mansion. Alex started to understand the source of the supernatural occurrences. At night, he descended into the mansion's dungeon. However, with every step, he felt as if the ghosts of the past were confronting him. The cries of the family members echoed in his ears. Eventually, deep within the mansion, Alex discovered the origin of the curse. The vengeful spirits of the family members had been trapped within the house, their souls still seeking retribution. With courage, Alex performed a ritual to lay their spirits to rest. From that moment on, the strange occurrences in the mansion ceased, bringing a sense of relief to the townspeople. Alex was hailed as a hero, having put an end to the haunted legacy. However, whispers still circulated among the townsfolk, suggesting that the old mansion remained mysteriously eerie. One evening, a group of bold young locals decided to take a midnight stroll around the mansion. Believing themselves fearless, they wanted to witness just how terrifying the old house could be. Little did they know that their adventure would take a chilling turn. As they roamed the mansion's perimeter, the lights suddenly went out, and an icy chill filled the air. The group felt the presence of a transparent figure moving among them. It resembled the spirits of the family, and fear gripped their hearts. In the dark corridors, the cries of ghosts and the voices of the old family members reverberated. The excitement of the young explorers turned into terror. For a moment, time seemed to stand still within the mansion. Then, abruptly, everything stopped, and silence once again enveloped the area. The next day, despite sharing their story with the townspeople, none dared to verify the truth by venturing near the mansion. Alex's ritual may have pacified the ghosts temporarily, but the mysterious aura around the mansion persisted. The townsfolk decided to keep their distance, leaving the mansion's dark mystery as a haunting reminder of the town's unresolved past. And so, the tale of the mysterious mansion continued to weave its unsettling presence into the fabric of the town. While Alex had succeeded in pacifying the spirits temporarily, the supernatural aura lingered, casting a shadow over the once quiet town. Months passed, and the townsfolk remained cautious. The mansion stood as a silent sentinel, its dark secrets hidden behind weathered walls and overgrown vines. Despite the passage of time, the eerie atmosphere around the estate refused to dissipate. One stormy night, a lone wanderer named Emily arrived in town. Unaware of the mansion's haunted history, she sought shelter from the rain and decided to spend the night at the only place that seemed to offer refuge, the abandoned mansion. As Emily entered the creaking doors, she felt an inexplicable shiver down her spine. The air inside was heavy, and the dim light from her lantern revealed worn-out furniture and dusty hallways. Ignoring the unsettling feeling, Emily settled in for the night. However, As the clock struck midnight, the mansion came alive with spectral whispers and faint footsteps. The ghostly figures that had once haunted the estate seemed to materialize once more, and Emily found herself caught in a supernatural dance with the past. The rooms echoed with the voices of the family members, their tragedies unfolding before her eyes. The walls seemed to breathe with the weight of their sorrows. Emily, paralyzed by fear, witnessed the events that had led to the curse. It was as if time had looped back to the fateful moments that had forever changed the mansion's fate. As the night wore on, Emily realized that the spirits sought to communicate with her. The ghostly apparitions guided her through hidden passages and secret chambers, revealing forgotten letters and artifacts that held the key to lifting the curse once and for all. Driven by a mixture of fear and determination, Emily delved into the mansion's history. She discovered betrayals, long-buried secrets, and a tragic love story that had unfolded within its walls. Each revelation brought her closer to understanding the source of the curse and the restless spirits that wandered the estate. In the pre-dawn hours, as Emily pieced together the fragments of the family's past, a profound sorrow swept through the mansion. The spirits, now understood and acknowledged, found a moment of peace. The storm outside began to subside, and the once haunted mansion fell into a tranquil silence. When morning light touched the horizon, Emily emerged from the mansion, its aura transformed. The townsfolk, curious about the previous night's events, found Emily standing at the entrance. She shared the tale of the family's tragedies, the hidden truths, and the love that had been lost to time. As the story spread through the town, a sense of closure enveloped the once dreaded mansion. The townsfolk, once held captive by fear, began to see the estate in a new light. The dark mystery that had haunted the town for generations was finally unveiled, and the mansion, now free from the shackles of its past, stood as a testament to the resilience of both the living and the departed. And so, the mysterious legacy that had gripped the town came to an end. The mansion, once a symbol of fear, became a part of local folklore, a cautionary tale passed down through generations. The town, now free from the ghostly whispers of its past, embraced a newfound peace, forever grateful to the stranger who had unraveled the mysteries of the haunted mansion.